Hello everyone. I am Chandni Vasi from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. In previous lecture, we learned Newton's Cotes quadrature formula, which is the general formula for equispaced point. Now we derive from Newton's Cotes quadrature formula trapezoidal rule for equispaced point. So now trapezoidal rule. We know that the Newton-Cotes quadrature formula, which is I equals to integral f0 to xn y dx equals to nh y0 plus n by 2 delta y0 plus n twice n minus 3 by 12 delta square y0 plus n minus 2 square by 24 delta cube y0 and so on. Now, where nh equals to b minus a. Now, for trapezoidal rule, we put n equals to 1 in this Newton's Cotes quadrature formula and derive trapezoidal rule. So, n neglecting second and higher order derivative. First order derivative, second order derivative, third order derivative. Delta square, delta cube. So, we neglect from second order derivative. So, we neglect this and this term. So, we can write first x0 to value of n equals to 1. So, x0 to x1 y dx equals to value of n is 1. So, 1x. So, x y0 plus here put n equals to 1. So, 1 by 2 delta y0 and we neglect the second and higher order derivative. So, we have integral x0 to x1 y dx equals to x y0 plus 1 by 2 delta y0. Now, we simplify this. We know delta y0 equals to y1 minus y0. So, we put the value delta y0. So, x equals to y0 as it is plus 1 by 2 and delta y0 is y1 minus y0. Same way, if delta y1 given, then y2 minus y1. If delta y2, then y3 minus y2 and so on. So, here 2, so 2 LCM, so 2y0 plus y1 minus y0. So, h by 2 2y0 plus y1 minus y0. So, integral x0 to x1 y dx equals to h by 2. 2y0 minus y1 is y0 plus y1. So, y0 plus y1. This is one part. Now, we simplify. We have integral x0 to xn. So, we find first part x0 to x1. Now, similar way we reach at xn. So, we find x1 to x2, x2 to x3, x3 to x4 and xn minus 1 to xn. So, similar way we find x1 to x2 y dx, which is similar way here h and y1 plus 1 by 2 delta y1. Here if x0 to x1 given, then we have y0 plus 1 by 2 delta y0. So, same way x1 to x2 given, so y1 plus 1 by 2 delta y1. Same way if x2 to x3 given, we have y2 plus 1 by 2 delta y2. And we know that also delta y1 delta y2 value. So, we simplify it as y1 plus 1 by 2 delta y1 is y2 minus y1. So, put the value and simplify. So, integral x1 to x2 y dx equals to h by 2 2y1 plus y2 minus y1. So, 2y1 minus y1 is y1 plus y2. So, h by 2 y1 plus y2. Similar way, if we find x2 to x3 y dx equals to h by 2 y2 plus y3. In general, integral xn minus 1 to xn y dx equals to h by 2 yn minus 1 plus yn. Now, adding these in n integrals, we get the composite formula I equals to integral x0 to xn y dx equals to. So we find n integral, which is integral x0 to x1, x1 to x2, x2 to x3, x3 to x4 and xn minus 1 to xn. So we put the value of these n integrals. So in every term we have h by 2 common. So h by 2 common. x0 to x1 y dx is y0 plus y1. x1 to x2 y dx is y1 plus y2. Similarly, x2 to x3 y dx is y2 plus y3 and so on. xn minus 1 to xn y dx is yn minus 1 plus yn. So we have first term y0 common. y1 plus y1, so 2 times y1, same way, y2 plus, next term is y2 plus y3, so y2, 2 times y2, in next term y3 plus y4, so 2 times y3, 2 times y4, in general yn minus 1 is 2 times and last term yn is 1 time. So we write it as h by 2 y0 plus 2 times y1 plus y2 plus up to so on plus yn minus 1 plus yn. So we can write h by 2 y0 plus yn plus 2 times y1 plus y2 plus y3 and so on plus yn minus 1. So here we can write integral x0 to xn y dx equals to h by 2 y0 and yn are extreme coordinates, which is starting point and ending point. Extreme coordinates means starting point and ending point, plus 2 times y1 plus y2 plus y3 and so on, which is remaining term. So we can call as, in trapezoidal rule, integral x0 to xn y dx equals to h by 2 sum of extreme ordinates plus 2 times sum of remaining term, which is the trapezoidal rule. Now we define error and error bound. So E equals to minus b minus a by 12 x square into y double dash xi, where E is the total error, y double dash xi be the largest value and a less than xi less than b, and we know that nh equals to b minus h. So we find h, so formula is h equals to b minus a by n. Also we find error bound using this formula. Now the error in the trapezoidal rule is of order h square. Remember that order of trapezoidal rule is h square. Now error estimation. So formula is EH by 2 equivalent 1 by 3 JH by 2 minus JH, where JH equals to, same way trapezoidal rule formula, h by 2 sum of extreme ordinates, which is y0 plus yn, plus 2 times sum of remaining term, which is 2 times y1 plus y2 plus up to so on plus yn minus 1, and jh by 2 is h by 2, so half of h equals to h by 2 and sum of extreme ordinates y0 plus yn plus 2 times sum of y1 plus y2 and so on plus yn minus 1. Now one example, evaluate integral 4 to 5.2 log x to the base e dx. So by trapezoidal rule. So first our function is log x to the base e. So f of x equals to log x to the base e. Now we know that in our integral I, formula is integral x0 to xn f of x dx given. Then x0 equals to a, xn equals to b. So here a equals to 4, b equals to 5.2. Also, if in example there is no given n and h, so we take directly n equals to 6, and if value of n is given or h is given, then from the formula ns equals to b minus a, we find if n is given then h, and if h is given then directly we find the value. So here we take n equals to 6 because here value of n and h not given. So n equals to 6, therefore we know that nh equals to b minus a, so h equals to b minus a by n. So value of b is 5.2 minus value of a is 4 by value of n is 6. So which gives, using calculator we find 0.2. Now here given log x to the base e. So in calculator we use the key ln x. Now we start from 8. Value of a is 4 and adding h and reach at value b. So here x equals to 4.0, which is a. So start with a and we reach at b adding with value h. So 4 plus adding h 0.2 is 4.2, again adding 0.2, 4.4, again adding 0.2, 4.6, 4.8, 5.0, and 5.2 is our ending point. So stop here. 5.2 is the last point. So now this is our x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 and x6. So here starting value x0, ending value x6, which is our xn. Now we find y equals to ln x. For the value of y, first in calculator we use the fix key. So 3 times press mode is fix. Number 1 fix. Now it gives 0 to 9 decimal fix. So we have 4 decimal places fix. So using number 4 we fix our calci 4 decimal places. Now using calculator and ln key, we find first value ln x. X is first value 4. So in calculator use ln in bracket, first value is 4. So 4.0, which gives the value 1.3863. Same way, next value ln 4.2. In calci same way we find 4.2, so it gives 1.4351. Same way ln 4.4, so it gives 1.4816. ln 4.6, 1.5260. ln 4.8, 1.5686. ln 5.0, it gives 1.6094, and ln 5.2, it gives 1.6486. Now we have x0 to x6. So same way corresponding value of y, y0, y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. Now, using trapezoidal rule, our formula is integration 4 to 5.2 log x to the base e dx equals to h by 2 sum of extreme ordinates. So extreme ordinates is y0 plus y6. So y0 plus y6 plus 2 times remaining term. Remaining term is y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5. Now put the value. So we have h equals to 0.2 by 2. Value of y0 is 1.3863. Value of y6 is 1.6486 plus 2 times remaining value is y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. Now adding all the value and calculate. We have 0.2 by 2 is 0.2 and sum of all the value using calculator we get 18.2763. So final answer we get using calculator integral 4 to 5.2 log x to the base e dx equals to 1.8273. If in example given that the answer compare with exact value, then we find the exact value. So for exact value we have integral 4 to 5.2 log x to the base e dx equals to, now we know that for exact value we find directly integration of the function. So here log x to the base e given. So here 1 into log x to the base e. So we integrate it, we know that which gives x log x minus x and limit is 4 to 5.2. So here x common. So log x minus 1 and 4 to 5.2. So we first put 5.2 value of x minus 4 value of x. It gives the answer 1.82765. So our numerical value is 1.82763 and the exact value is 1.82765. In next lecture we derive Simpson's 1/3 rule. Thank you.